Can we make money in stock market? Is it really safe to invest in stock market? To answer these questions, let us see the performance of Indian stock market for the last 25 years. And if you like our video, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Can we really make money in stock market?
Is stock market a viable investment option? Hello guys, my name is Mohit.
And I'm Mayuna. Before answering the question of making money in stock market, let us take a ride of Nifty from the year 1996 till date.
Nifty has surged from 990 points in the year 1996 to around 14,000 points in the year 2020, providing investors an average return of 55% per annum. But can we directly invest in Nifty? The answer is no, we cannot.
However, we can invest in the Nifty stocks. Let us assume that we are invested in the top 15 stocks of Nifty based on their market weightage from the year 2001 and churn the portfolio every 5 years.
What would the returns look like? Let's see for the individual 5-year churn. The returns for the year 2001 to 2005 was 42% per annum. From the year 2006 to 2010, the returns were 21% per annum. From the year 2011 to 2015, the returns were 9% per annum. And from the year 2016 to 2020, the returns were 16% per annum.
Let us summarize the returns from the year 2001 to 2020. The total return of 445% from 2001 to 2020, that is a simple average return of 22% per annum and a compounding average return of 80% per annum. Basically, investment of rupees 1 lakh in 2001 would have become 16 lakhs in the year 2020.
The stocks were selected purely based on market weightage without considering any fundamental aspect. Isn't it amazing? These returns are way more than the risk-free rate of returns available in the market.
But do people really make money in stock market? Various research suggests that over 90% of investors lose money in stock market.
Let's see some of the major reasons of losing money in stock market. Inadequate research and blindly following the tips, undiversified portfolio, lack of time and patience. We understand that the fundamental research of stock requires time, patience and collation of accurate facts from across various platforms.
But don't worry, Stocklopedia is here just to provide you with the right set of facts and information required for successful investing. Stocklopedia is a team of professionals who will bring you a series of amazing content in the form of short videos, articles, blogs, etc., which will help you in evaluating the right set of stocks for investment purpose.
Our content will include the following illustrative topics. Comparison of stocks, helping you to choose amongst the best. For example, Infosys versus TCS or HDFC Bank versus ICICI Bank and so on. Sector-wise quarterly financial results of top liquid stocks will give you both the best performers as well as the worst performers. Quarterly performance of mutual funds along with the updated CRISIL rating. Corporate action calendar covering quarterly results, dividends, bonus, stock split, etc.
So what are you guys waiting for?
Go ahead, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to click the bell icon.